Oh, do I have to take you down there, Diva? Come on. Come on, Diva. Let's go. Come on, Destiny. Cuddle me. Come. Let's go see the boyfriend. Come. Come on. Come on. Come on. The wings. Okay, so she's not interested in going on the floor. And what is she interested in? Being my friend. Hi.